Hello. I have a haul from Value Village and Marshall's and Dollar Tree. But I was going to show you the update on the bathroom. We replaced the vanity with this vanity sink thing, and it's like a gray brown striated kind of wood tone. And then
Euro.
Yeah.
That's the name of it.
Oh, is it Euro?
Yeah.
And then we just got
from
this
Lowe's
floating shelf. It's like the one I have in the. It's like the one we have in the. You can show how it floats here. They all float. Sorry.
No.
It's like the one we have in the bar, and so we've just put it here because I like to have a shelf there and put my stuff here. And then this is just a light box, and then this is that backsplash I ordered. This was from Walmart Wayfair. I think it was like $50. It's really thick glass. And then this is thin sheet of vinyl tile sheets. 6 of them in a pack from Walmart. $27 shipped. So that was all, and it was really easy. You just cut it with scissors. You had to take, the worst part was getting this guy off. Because it's a European thing, and it was like, oh
weird.
Gosh.
You forget how you put it on years ago.
Yeah, so the next thing, all we have to do, I ordered the laminate that matches this sink vanity, and we're going to recover this thing with matching laminate.
That was already covered with walnut laminate.
Yeah, this is a walnut laminate.
Which is what we had before in here.
This is what it...
Here's all our junk.
Yeah, here's my junk. Isn't that
interesting,
thrilling?
Huh?
Yeah. And so, it's almost done.
Yeah.
So, yay. So, I'll be back in a second with my haul. Okay, I'm back with my haul. I have Marshall's, a little bit from Dollar Tree, and Value Village. Value Village, I used a coupon, so I got 30% off of everything. Mr. Retro's got this CD.
Rolling Stones.
How much are these?
$1.99.
Oh, so 30% off of that. And that chair we got is
That's a vintage chair.
who made the original ones? Was it Ames?
Ames, maybe.
Or Nelson? Nelson Jones? No, probably Ames.
I don't know. They were made.
Nelson
all
worked
over.
for Ames. So, I don't know. We have a knockoff of that chair that I got from Overstock, but this is a real one. It needs a little rubber footies, and it seriously needs cleaning. But it's a vintage one.
That's cool.
It's not the fiberglass one. It's vinyl. But it was only $40 less 30%. So that's awesome.
It just needs a little screw on one of the things on the bottom.
Yeah.
And footies.
Yeah. So I think we'll be good to
But
go.
the whole top is in good shape, just dirty.
Yeah. So I think we can use a Clorox sponge on that guy.
So we got that for about $30, huh?
Yeah.
Something like
Something
that.
like that. $30. So
Not bad.
that's that. All right. Then I got this beauty. I want to paint this pink, and so it was $1. And put him with my other cute elephant over there. Pink elephant. I like pink elephants. I could put jewels here. I wonder why he has holes in his ears.
I don't know.
Maybe he's an earring holder. I bet he is.
Oh.
Oh, that's kind of neat. He's really cute. And it was really nice in there today.
Super Bowl Sunday.
It was totally nice. Oh, this is a craft thing.
Oh, it is? I thought it was
Yeah.
for pills. Oh.
Mr. Retro's got this.
Grandpa's pill container
It's
turns out to be a craft thing. So you push those little things on the end and it unlocks it. Push it in. Then you can pull one out.
It's too hard. Let's see.
Let's see it
Oh, I see. Well,
See
you
how
can
it
use it for
slides?
your pills. I mean, you know. Oh, it slides? The whole
Yeah,
thing?
you push it, you see how it locks them?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that's
Okay.
what it is. It has locks so it doesn't spill.
Way
and
too
stuff.
complicated. I mean, this will be not 7 days, so.
Yeah.
You know, just remember which side's AM, which one's PM, if it makes a difference to you.
Yes.
Okay, so.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. This is so awesome. I couldn't. I just couldn't.
We're going all frog.
I'm just loving frogs.
Frog next year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Frogs.
Christmas frogs.
This
right
is
on.
Santa Frog. Look. He's awesome.
He's too good.
He's really good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've got to stop getting this stuff.
But, you know, white-mouthed frogs are cool. So Santa Frog's cool, too. He's really neat. So he was like $1.50. Oh, awesome. Be nice in front of a wreath.
Mm-hmm.
It's just anywhere, really.
It goes with everything.
It does. It's an all-purpose frog. Let's see. Let me see what I got here. These are neat. Boy, I left my glasses somewhere. Oh well, I don't think I need them. Okay, I got my glasses on, so I feel a little better. This is only $1.99 for 8 little pink flamingo plates. Oops. They had pineapple ones too, but the pineapples look kind of icky. They're cool. It doesn't say where they're from. I think they were Target. I'm suspecting. What does it say? See if it says anything on here. It's all white on white. Ugh. Made for retail. Is there a date? No. No, I don't know. No, they're cute though, you know. And there's 8 of them, so that's on. This would be very cute for something. So, pink flamingos are just a good thing. This is really neat. It's like a cow with a Carmen Miranda outfit on.
Nice.
Now that makes sense, right? Cow Miranda, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
Yeah. You know, they did all that cow stuff at one time. But it's a 2-piece salt shaker, and it's from 19... Peltzman Designs 1987 van door. And it's got this... Isn't it cool?
Oh,
it's got a teeny little thing here, but it's a flaw. I can touch that up. It's just a flaw, manufacturer's flaw. But, oh yeah, here's where the thing goes. I guess it goes like it is. Oh, see? It's an amusing salt and pepper shaker.
nice.
See? Cool. It's got an earring on, too. And big sleeves and a necklace, I think. Yeah. So she's got it going on. At least she's trying. And this is so weird. This goofy thing.
It's a hippie.
I wonder who made this thing. It's
I'd
a
like
hippie.
to report a hippie.
Yes, I'd like to report a hippie. Marked. Made in Japan. It was $4.99, less 30. Is it marked? Oh wait. Do you have your thing? It's something on his foot, but it's really hard to see. Oh boy. Japan. I think it just says Japan. Yeah, there might be something. I don't know. His clothes are glued on because he's so icky. So nobody would want to like play and dress this thing. Strictly for display. He's a little grubby, but you know, hippies always were grubby. Yeah, their feet did look like this. A lot of them.
Where could you get shoes when you have feet like
They
that?
made them. I think they had to make him special shoes. So that's kind of fun for like $4.50, $4, something like that. Well, he's cool. And I got this bag of doll, $2.99. I just want this Repro doll. I take these, she's in good shape. I take these and rip their hair out, and I reroot them with like Color Magic colored hair or different
What
kind
Barbie is that?
This is the Evening Elegance one, or no, this might be the Soul.
Solo in the
It might be
Spotlight.
either Solo in the Spotlight or Evening Elegance. I think they both have this necklace. But see, she has the short monkey arms, which is one of the earlier repros. They sort of straightened the arms out a little bit in the later ones. But she's worth $2. You know, I'll just fix her up. And then this is just a icky. See, I show you. This is a model Muse body. This, your Barbie clothes won't fit on this doll. They changed the body from the classic Barbie shape to this wiener dog shape that the collectors aren't, you know, this is not very cool. So, she's going back. That's just a side note of Barbiedom. And I got this weird bag. This has some Sunny Angel figures in it, which I like Sunny Angel. And then it has these other... Is that supposed to be a Blythe? That might be a Blythe thing. But I like these. Look. He's winking. And he's got a little pink panda or koala outfit on. Ew. This looks like Loudmouth Lime's husband. And here's a genie. And this is a Dragon Ball thing.
Right, I'll take him.
You want him? Okay. Icky little genie. Another genie. That I wanted these. Look, he's got a fox outfit. They're like Kewpie, see? I mean, they're called Sunny Angel. Ooh, I like this one with this. Look at that.
Flamingo.
And this one has a fox hat. Super cute. Here's another one of these. Oh, he's just a head. Where's his body? Nuts. Oh, this is like a genie, real genie one. So,
What are those?
they're genies. They're Winx maybe? Winx? I don't know what brand that makes those. I can't remember, but yeah. And too bad this won't go on there, but he's just a random head. I'll keep the head with it. But, and this, I think that's a Blythe, but it's icky, so it's going back. I just wanted these guys, because I think they're really cute. And I think that's all I got at V Village. Then I went to my lame dollar store, and they actually had the succulents picks. They had them in the little square vase things with foam in them, but they weren't as nice of foliage on them. So I got 4 of these. I think I'm going to use them in my panther thing in the bedroom, maybe. But these are pretty good for $1. See, that's pretty good. And there's another one. Succulent pick. So that's the only really kind of fun thing I got at the dollar store. And then I went to Marshall. I went to Ross, a bust here. And then I went to Marshall's and I was looking for the Ray-Dun stuff. And I got this. They have the Easter one, but I'm not crazy about it. But this one was $7.99, and it's just a canister. I can put coffee, or I could put flour in it. But I like this typewriter, and then these vintage little motifs. And then I got this. I thought this was Ray-Dun, but it's not. So I think I might return it. It's cool. It was only $6.99. It's for when you have a buffet or something and you put your cutlery in it. Or you could use it, you know, it's cute with like little things in it too. But I think I'm going to take this back because I wanted a Ray-Dun one. And they had little oval plates and they had a lot of glassware. Like, they had stemless wine glasses, stemless champagne flutes with the Ray-Dun writing on it. No coffee mugs. What else? a few of the Easter things, and some mason jars that had electric lights in them with radon writing on the sides. And and little tall fluted stems, like a platter with a little dome lid on it, and they said things on them like eat and drink. I don't know what you put a cupcake in there. I don't know.
Yeah.
In our chair, and I'll see you later. Ribbit.
Frog mess.